Have you ever wondered what the stars say about you? Do you want to gain a deeper understanding of your personality, strengths, and challenges? Look no further than a birth chart reading. In this video, we will guide you through the basics of interpreting a birth chart and how it can help you navigate your life with more clarity and insight. A birth chart, also known as a natal chart, is a map of where the planets were at the exact moment of your birth. It consists of 12 houses, each representing different aspects of your life, such as relationships, career, and spirituality. The planets in the chart are positioned in specific signs and houses, influencing your personality and life path. To interpret a birth chart, start by looking at the position of the sun, moon, and ascendant or rising sign. The sun represents your core identity and ego, the moon signifies your emotions and instincts, and the ascendant reflects how you present yourself to the world. These three elements provide a foundational understanding of your personality. Next, pay attention to the aspects between the planets, such as conjunctions, squares, and trines. These aspects reveal how the planets interact with each other and influence your behavior and experiences. For example, a conjunction between Venus and Mars may indicate a passionate and romantic nature. Lastly, explore the houses in your birth chart, which represent different areas of your life. For instance, the 7th house governs relationships and partnerships, while the 10th house relates to career and reputation. The planets located in each house can shed light on the energies at play in those areas of your life. By delving into your birth chart, you can gain valuable insights into your strengths, weaknesses, and potential opportunities for growth. Whether you're seeking clarity in your relationships, career path, or personal development, a birth chart reading can provide guidance and validation for your journey. Ready to unlock the secrets of your birth chart? Consult with an experienced astrologer who can help you navigate the complexities of your planetary influences. Remember, your birth chart is a roadmap to self-discovery and empowerment. Embrace the wisdom of the stars and let your unique cosmic blueprint guide you towards a more fulfilling and purposeful life.